Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss class 12, lesson 2, illustration 17. So before we are going to do illustration 17, we have to know some important points. Prepaid expenses and accrued income are at the end of the current year should be taken to the asset side of the balance sheet. And whenever in the question, if capital fund is not mentioned, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet to find out the capital. Now see in this question, this is comprehensive problem, page number 61 of your textbook, illustration 17. Before we are going to start the sum, always we have to start from the adjustment. Why? Because adjustment will appear in the two places and the other all items will appear in single place. Now see here, see the adjustment. The first adjustment is the club had furniture rupees 12,000. Club had furniture rupees 12,000. So this 12,000 rupees we have to write in the asset side of the balance sheet. In this question, capital fund is given, so no need to prepare the opening balance sheet. We have to prepare straight away closing balance sheet. So now first adjustment, the club had furniture rupees 12,000. Open your ledger. In ledger, take a two new page. In that two new page, left hand side expenditure in the particulars column. See here, heading you have to write in the books of Friends Football Club, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Left hand side you have to write in the particular column expenditure, then write it rupees. Right hand side of your page write income rupees. Debit, credit. After that leave 10 lines. 10 lines leave it, then put the total line in both the side. After that write it balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Now you just see the adjustment. What is the first adjustment? Club had furniture rupees 12,000. So this 12,000 we have to write in the asset side, as well as see upstairs if there is any furniture is given in the question. Yes, the furniture is given 7,000. So 7,000 plus 12,000, 19,000 we have to write in the asset side. See the answer. 12,000 plus 7,000, 19,000 we written in the asset side. Understand? So first adjustment is over. Now see the second adjustment. Subscription outstanding rupees 600. Subscription will come in which side? In income side. Now see here, in subscription, here subscription is given 5,000 rupees. So we have to write by subscription 5,000 in income side and add outstanding of 16, 17, 600 because this is current year 17. So current year amount only we have to write in the income and expenditure account. Now see here, by subscription 5,000, add outstanding 600. So 5,000 plus 600, 5,600. Whatever you're adding here in the income outstanding, straight away you have to write in the asset side. See the asset side. Subscription outstanding 16, 17 rupees 600. Understand? So we added in the income 600. Now we have to write in the asset side outstanding subscription rupees 600. Understand? Return. Now we'll move on to the next adjustment. Next adjustment is stock of sports material 31st March 1700 rupees. So 31st March means closing stock of sports material. Now if you see upstairs in the payment side, see it in the payment side, it is given sports material purchased rupees 800. So sports material purchase rupees 800. So the formula for sports material is opening stock plus purchase of material minus closing stock. So opening is not given, here only closing is given, rupees sports material 100 and we purchased. Now see the answer here in income expenditure account. So sports material consume purchase 800 less closing stock 100. So 800 minus 100 700. Closing stock always write in the asset side. So see the asset side. Rupees 100 stock of sports material rupees 100. Understand? So here we return 100 rupees closing stock, the same 100 rupees we had right here. Understand? Next, return here. Next we on to next adjustment, capital fund. Last adjustment, capital fund 23,000. So capital fund is given already, so no need to prepare opening balance sheet. So this capital we have to write in the liability side inner column. So capital fund rupees 23,000 inner column. Return. Now come to the receipts and payment in the question. Now see the question. This opening cash and bank we should not write because we are preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So opening cash and bank we must not write in the income and expenditure account. Next, subscription already we done in the adjustment. Legacies. Legacies means liabilities. So we have to write in the liabilities. See, legacies rupees 6,000. Now see the liability side. Legacies rupees 6,000. Outer column you have to write. Understand? Next one. See the next item. Collection for special dinner rupees 2,000. So this 2,000 receipt means income. So collection for special dinner 2,000. So we have to write in the income side. Income side, collection of special dinner rupees 2,000. Next one. Furniture we done in the adjustment. Asset sides we added. Sports material we added already in the expenditure. Now special dinner expenses, it is an expenditure. So special dinner expenses rupees 1,500. Electricity charges rupees 900. Both we have to write in the expenditure column. See your expenditure column. Special dinner expenses 1,500. Electricity charges rupees 900. Next one. What is the next item? Cash in hand, cash at bank. So this both we have to write in the asset side. Now see the balance sheet asset side. Cash in hand, cash at bank 12,000 and 1,800. Return. Next one. So question is over totally. All the items we return in this question. Now see the answer. See your income and expenditure account. Add all this, you will get 7,600. So 7,600 minus this total, you will get 4500. This 4500 is surplus, excess of income over expenditure. So income is more, expenditure is less. So surplus 4500. What way to do this 4500? This 4500, because it is surplus, it means profit. So you have to add it with the capital fund. Add surplus 4500, 23,000 plus 4500, 27,500. So total of your answer 33,500 both the side. Understand the sum? Very good, students. Hello friends, welcome to GNG Accountancy classes. Illustration 18, page number 62. Class 12, lesson 2, NPO. Illustration 18. Following is the receipts and payment account of the Salem Recreation Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. So we have to prepare the income expenditure account and balance sheet for the 31st March 2019. Now take a double new page in your accounts ledger. After taking the ledger, in the center of your page, write the heading in the books of Salem Recreation Club. In the blue line, center of your page, in the red line, write it income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Leave 10 lines, put the total line in the outer column. Below that, you have to write the balance sheet. Heading, liabilities, assets, rupees. Now, see the question. In this question of receipts and payments, the adjustment is given. There are 450 members, each paying annual subscription 30 rupees. Capital fund is given, so no need to prepare the opening balance sheet because capital fund is given in the question. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Now always start the sum from the adjustment. There are 450 members, each paying annual subscription rupees 30. So 450 member है और हर एक member 30 रुपया देता है. So 450 members, everyone is giving 30 rupees each. So 450 into 30 rupees, 13,500 is the income. Now how to write this? See here in the income side, 450 into 30 is the total 13,500. Out of 13,500, how much we received the subscription? We received the subscription for the 18-19 because we are preparing for 31st March 2019. So in 18-19 we received 12,500. This is the adjustment. So this 12,500 we have to write here. By subscription 12,500. Add outstanding rupees. How much? 1,000. Because 13,500 minus 12,500, 1,000. How? We have to receive 13,500, but we received only 12,500, which is given in the question. So 1,000 is outstanding for the year. This outstanding 1,000 rupees we have to write in the asset side of the balance sheet. You see the balance sheet. Asset side, we return subscription for the year 18-19, 1,000 rupees. Understand? We return the 1,000 rupees. Now see the question once again. Stock of stationery 31st March 2018 is 300 and 31st March 2019 is 500. So now this is 18, opening stock 300, opening stock of stationery 300 and closing stock of stationery is 500. Where is the stationery? Stationery given in the payment side. So stationery purchase 2400. So this is the adjustment. So this 2400 we have to write in the expenditure side because we purchase the stationery. Now this 300 rupees opening plus purchase this 2400 minus 500. See here, in the expenditure side, to stationery 2400, opening stock 300. So opening plus purchase minus closing stock 500, 2200 outer column. So this 500 is the closing stock of stationery. So this also we have to write in the asset side because all the closing stock we have to write in the asset. Now see here, stock of stationery rupees 500. Understand? So simple formula, opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So opening stationery plus purchases minus closing stock of stationery. So this adjustment, second adjustment is over. Now see the third adjustment. Capital fund 9300. Where we have to write capital fund? Any fund we have to write in the liability side, and capital fund always come in the liability side. So capital fund inner column 9300. Now see the next one. Now all the three adjustment is over. Now see the receipts and payment question. First one, opening cash. Opening cash we should not write anywhere. So we must not write anywhere in the income expenditure account as well as in the balance sheet. If we are preparing to find out the capital, then only we have to write in the opening balance sheet. But here capital fund is given, so no need to write this opening balance cash in hand anywhere in the sum. This 2018-19 already we written in the income side and added. Then this 1920 is the subscription received in advance. Advance always you have to write in the liability side. This 400 is known as subscription received in advance. Now see the liability side. Here it is given subscription received in advance rupees 400. Understand? Now you return it in your ledger 400 rupees. I am going very slowly. If you don't understand, again you can see the entry so that you can understand once again. Next one, proceed from entertainment. So proceed from entertainment and sundry receipt is an income. So we have to write this 12,500 in income side. Now see the income, proceed from entertainment and sundry receipt 12,500 we have to write in the outer column. Why we have to write in the outer column? Because there is no adjustment. If adjustment is there, then only we have to write in the inner column. Otherwise straight away write in the outer column. Next one, payment side. Furniture we have to write in the asset side. Stationery already we done. Investment also asset. Now see it, furniture investment we have to write in the asset. See it, furniture investment 15,000 and 12,500 we have to write in the asset side. Next one is postage. In your question, postage 1,000. Postage is an expense. So postage we have to write the expenditure postage. See the last line, buy balance carried on cash in hand 3,500. This is what? This is your closing payment. Cash in hand carried on means closing cash. So closing cash will come in the balance sheet asset side 3,500. Now see the asset, cash in hand 3,500. Understand? Now we return all the entries, we posted all the entries. Now see the answer. Income and expenditure account. So income is more than the expense. So income, add it, you will get 26,000. 26,000 minus this 2,200 and 1,000, you will get 22,800. Surplus. So surplus is always add with the capital fund. Now see the balance sheet. Capital fund 9,300, which is given in the question. Add surplus, just now we find out. Add both this, you will get 32,100. And all add all this, leave one line here so it will be clear. In both the sides, same line, write the total 32,500. 32,100 plus 400, 32,500. Write it both the side. So this is the total. Now understand all the students? If any doubt, once again you watch the video, you can understand the sum. Very good, student. Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Class 12, illustration 19, page number 64. Today we are going to discuss very important sum of 5 marks. In this sum, the capital fund is not given. If the capital fund is not given, means we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. To find out the opening capital fund, opening balance sheet should be prepared. So in this sum, we have to prepare 3 accounts. From the following receipts and payment account of Coimbatore Cricket Club for the year ending 31st March 2016. Prepare income expenditure account 31st March 2016 and the balance sheet as on that date. So we have to prepare 3 accounts: opening balance sheet, income expenditure account and closing balance sheet. Always we have to start the sum from the additional information. So see the additional information. The additional information. On 1st April 2015, the club had stock of ball and bat rupees 3,000. This is opening stock of bat and ball. So opening stock bat and ball. See here, where is the bat and ball given? Here given sale of bat and ball, right? That is sale of bat and ball is 100 rupees. But this is different. Here bat and ball purchased 7,400. So 7,400 is the purchase and this is opening. So this 7,400 is the adjustment. So this 7,400, where we have to write payment means expenditure. We purchase the bat and ball, so this is the expenses for the cricket club, because our club name is cricket, Coimbatore Cricket Club. So we purchase bat and ball, so it is the expenses for us. So this 7,400 we have to write in the expenditure. 7,400 plus 3,000, and in the last line see here written stock of bat and ball 1,000. So 7,400 plus 3,000 opening stock minus closing stock 1,000. See the expenditure account. 7,400 plus 3,000, that is 10,400 minus 1,000, you will get 9,400. Then this closing stock 1,000 we have to write in the asset side. See the stock of ball and bat rupees 1,000. So this closing stock 1,000 rupees we have to write in the stock of bat and ball 1,000 in the asset side. And so in this sum, the opening balance sheet is not given, so we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. So this bat and ball opening stock rupees 3,000 we have to write in the asset side, stock of bat and ball rupees 3,000, because it is our assets 3000. Now see the next one, next line of your adjustment. So 3000 over adjustment, and this opening and closing over. Now advance subscription of rupees 500. This advance subscription of rupees 500 rupees, we have to see the subscription 11,000 rupees, which is given in the question. In the receipt side, to subscription 11,000 rupees is given. So this subscription, where we have to write this subscription, we have to write in the income side. Subscription by subscription in income. Then this 500 rupees is what is the 1516. So current year subscription. So this subscription will be added 500 rupees, and surplus on account of tournament should be kept on reserve for permanent pavilion. Subscription due rupees 2000. This 2000 rupees also we have to add it. So this 500 and this 2000 rupees subscription, we have to add it. Where we have to add this 500 and 2000 rupees? In the income side. See the answer. In the income, 11,000 rupees by subscription, add 500 rupees received in advance, 11,500, add outstanding rupees 2000, that is subscription due rupees 2000. Understand? Now see this one. This 500 rupees is the opening received in advance. So this opening received in advance, we have to write in the opening balance sheet, subscription received in advance 500. Then this closing received in advance rupees, closing outstanding subscription 2000, we have to write in the asset side. So 3 years subscription outstanding rupees 2000. Understand? Once again I repeat, 11,000, add 500 received in advance, 11,500, add outstanding subscription 2000. This is closing outstanding subscription. So this opening 500 we have to write in the opening balance sheet, and this closing 2000 rupees outstanding subscription we have to write in the asset side. Understand? So now we will move on to the question. So this, all the adjustment is over. Now see the question. First one, two banks brought down cash at bank rupees 8,000. This is opening cash. So this opening cash we have to write in the opening balance sheet. Cash at bank rupees 8,000. See the next one. What is the next line? Subscription we written sale of bat and ball. So this sale of bat and ball 100 rupees, where we have to write in the income. This 100 rupees we have to write in the income. And subscription for tournament rupees 2000, that we have to write in the liability side. First we have to see sale of old bat and ball 100 rupees. See it in your expenditure and income account. Sale of old ball and bat 100 rupees we return. Next one, subscription for tournament 2000, subscription for tournament rupees 2000. So tournament mention means it will come in the liability side. So 2000 rupees we have to write in the liability side. See here, subscription for tournament rupees 2000. See the next line of your question. Legacies 20,000. Legacies always liabilities. So we have to write in the liabilities legacies 20,000. Next line, maintenance. So this maintenance where we have to write in the expenditure. See the expenditure account. Maintenance rupees 5,000 rupees return. Understand? See the next line. Furniture. Furniture where we have to write this furniture 15,000. We have to write in the asset side. See the assets closing balance sheet furniture 15,000. See the next line. Tournament expenses 1,400. Already we received subscription for tournament 2,000. This we have to write in the liability side. From this 2,000 we have to less tournament expenses 1,400. So this we have to write in the liability side. So see the liability side, 2,000 minus 1,400, outer column 600. Understand? See the next one. Next one is what? Bat and ball. Already we written in the expenditure side. This as came in the adjustment. This 7,400 plus this 3,000 opening stock minus this closing 1,000 rupees. Already we done in the expenditure column. Last one, cash at bank closing 7,800. This 7,800 we have to write where in the asset side of closing balance sheet. See the balance sheet, cash in hand 7,800. Now we done all the posting. Now see the opening balance sheet. Asset side 8,000 plus 3,000 11,000. 11,000 minus 500 you will get 10,500. This 10,500 is the balancing figure known as capital fund. This capital fund we have to write in the liability side. So capital fund 10,500 less expenses, so less excess of expenditure over income deficit. So this is loss, so it is less 5,300, outer column 5,200. So capital fund we written here. Now see the income and expenditure account. Why we written that excess deficit? Because expenditure is more than the income. We have less income and we have more expense. So 18,500 minus this 13,600, you will get 5,300 deficit. This 5,300 we have to write here. This 5,300 we have to less from the capital fund, so you'll get 5,200. Add all this amount, you'll get 25,800. Just add it all, everything, you'll get 25,800. So your balance sheet is tally. Very good, student. Now you understand the sum. Very good.